In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive on Google Classroom. Have you ever archived a class on Google Classroom and then realized you need to access that information again? Or maybe you're preparing for a new term and want to bring back an old class setup to save time. Whatever your reason, unarchiving a class on Google Classroom is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step. First, let's start with the basics. Open your web browser and navigate to google.com. This is where your journey to unarchiving your Google Classroom begins. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a sign in button. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial because you can't access your classroom without being logged into your Google account. After clicking on sign in, you will be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Google Classroom. This might be your personal account or more likely an account provided by your educational institution. Once you've selected your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take your time to type it in correctly to avoid any access issues. After entering your password, click on the next button to continue. If you encounter any problems signing in, make sure you're entering the correct credentials or follow Google's account recovery process if necessary. Now that you're signed in, it's time to access Google Classroom. Look for the Google Apps menu, which is symbolized by a grid of dots located at the top right corner of the Google interface, right next to your profile picture or initial. Click on this grid to open a drop-down menu with various Google Apps. Among them, you'll find Google Classroom. Click on it to proceed. Upon entering Google Classroom, your next step is to navigate to your archived classes. You can do this by going directly to the link provided for archived classes, or if you're already in Classroom, look for the archived classes option in your sidebar or through your Classroom settings. Within your archived classes page, you'll see a list of all the classes you've archived in the past. Browse through until you find the class you wish to unarchive. Each class card will have a More option, which is symbolized by 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 dots on the class you want to restore. After clicking on the 3 dots, a menu will appear with several options. Here you'll see the Restore option. Clicking Restore will trigger a prompt asking you to confirm your action. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental restorations. Click Restore again to confirm, and voila, your class will be moved out of the archive and back into your active classroom list. It's important to note a few things about this process. Once a class is unarchived, it will reappear in your active class list immediately, allowing you and your students to access it just like before it was archived. Unarchiving a class doesn't affect its content, settings, or member list. Everything is preserved as it was, ensuring a smooth transition back to active status. If you're unarchiving a class for a new term or school year, you might want to update its settings, roster, and content to reflect the new start. And that's all there is to it. Unarchiving a class in Google Classroom is a simple process, but it's one that can significantly impact your teaching workflow by allowing you to reuse, revisit, or review past class materials. Remember, Google Classroom is designed to be user-friendly and supportive of educators' needs, so don't hesitate to explore its features to enhance your instructional approach. In conclusion, unarchiving in Google Classroom allows educators to efficiently manage their digital classrooms, fostering an organized and dynamic learning environment. Whether you're preparing for the new school year, returning to past materials for review, or setting up your classes to reflect current needs, Google Classroom's archive and unarchive features are invaluable tools at your disposal. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to unarchive classes on Google Classroom. With this newfound knowledge, managing your digital classroom will be more straightforward, letting you focus on what's truly important, teaching and engaging your students.